Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Let me warmly welcome once again Mr. Sunil Vijayasinghe, Chairman of United Motors Lanka, Mr. Aichiro Nishikawa, Director Market Management, Mitsubishi Fuso Truck and Bus Corporation, Mr. Thomas Hilse, Director Network Development, Mitsubishi Fuso Truck and Bus Corporation, Mr. Ananda Atukorala, Non-Executive Director, United Motors Lanka, Mr. Antonio Randazzo, Senior Manager for Marketing, Strategy and Business Development, also from Mitsubishi Fuso Truck and Bus Corporation, Ms. Elke Zeibat, Regional Sales Manager, Asia and Eastern Europe for Daimler Germany, Mr. Mark Kunz, Senior Manager, International Sales, also from Daimler. Members of the media, all other invitees, and my colleagues of UML. Thank you all for being here today, especially the guests who have flown from Japan and Germany and India to spend this evening with us. Well, thank you again for being here. I think all of you know about United Motors, but I like to briefly summarize a few important points that you may not know. We are a 68-year-old company and today grown to be one of the largest automobile companies in the country. Among many achievements over the last 68 years, I like to mention a few recent. Last year, we were honored to be awarded the 20th place by Business Today for being among the top 25 companies in the country across all industries. They have also continuously ranked us among the top 100 most respected companies in the country for several years. In the last 7 years, we have consecutively been awarded the first place in the automotive sector by the Institute of Chartered Accountants for our annual report, content and presentation and our transparency. More than the awards itself, what is important is the selection criteria for all these three honors. They consider financial performance, corporate governance, and our approach to corporate social responsibility. These aspects clearly demonstrate that we are a company that invests in the best products for the long term and a company that wants to play a significant role in improving the living standards of our community along with the progress of our business. We are also honored to be able to work with principals of the likes of Mitsubishi Fuso and Daimler, who have over decades proven themselves to be among the best automobile manufacturers in the world by developing the next generation of technology and products. Their total commitment to corporate governance and social responsibility is also a great strength to us. A good example of what I have said about product development will be witnessed by you shortly. These new Fuso products that we will launch are ones that stand above similar products in its category in our market today, be it technology, low maintenance costs, low fuel consumption, safety, performance, design, or comfort. These next generation products may differ from the products that we are used to in our market so far. They have been built to generate more power with differently configured engines, giving maximum efficiency, resulting in cost savings. Our country is a developing nation, and soon there will be many projects that will require the best transport solutions. I request you all to consider the long-term costs of the products that you use today. Most vehicles depreciate faster than others, with high maintenance costs, high fuel consumption, and more discomfort to its driver in a short period after usage. The products you will see today will stand ahead of the rest in that category without a doubt. We are a strong believer that our purpose goes beyond just selling the product. We will take necessary steps to ensure users will have access to our spare parts and service facilities across the country, and as a result, make the ownership of a Fuso product hassle-free to our customers. Ladies and gentlemen, let me thank you once again for coming here this evening to celebrate this important milestone with us. Thank you very much and enjoy the evening.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Mr. Chanakya Attawara, Chief Executive Officer and Executive Director of the United Motor Group. Thank you, sir.